In this video, I will show you how to create your template in Todoist. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open Todoist on your browser. So Todoist is actually a website which is quite similar to Notion. So in here, click on the Start Free button, and then in here you need to sign up for an account on Todoist. You can sign up for an account with your Google account, Facebook account, Apple account, or you can manually sign up for an account. Now, after you sign up for an account, you need to go ahead and click on this continue button to continue with your preferred sign up method, and then this will redirect you into your home page. So as you can see in here, you can go ahead and find this. So simply set this up first before you can proceed on creating your template on Todoist. These are actually just general questions of how you want to use Todoist. So simply skip this first, and then you will be able to proceed to your home page or your dashboard on Todoist. So simply click on that skip button, and then in here you'll need to click on that continue button. You can also watch the video for reference, and then in here you'll need to go ahead and click on that add task button, create a name for the task, description, date, and other things. So you need to go ahead and enter that and click on that add task button at the bottom right of that section, and then head over into that section. So you'll find that under the project section. So click on that specific project, and then at the top right of that, you'll find this three dots button. So click on that, and then from there, you need to go ahead and click on Save as Template. So from here, you need to go ahead and create a description for this template. Select a color for this template, and then click on that save button at the bottom right to save this as a template on your Todoist account. That is how you can basically create your template in Todoist.